So the question number 1, during the framing of the Indian Constitution, the Constituent Assembly held a total of 11 sessions with settings spread over how many days? Option number B, 165. Question number 2, the Indian Constitution has established. Option number C, independent judicial system. Question number 3, who among the following, while praising the amending features of the Indian Constitution, said that this variety in the amending process is wise but is rarely found? Number C, K.C. Ware. Question number 4, in which year did the Indian Constitution declare Hindi in Devanagari script to be the official language of the Union? Option number C, 1949. Question number 5, the preamble of the Indian Constitution describes India as. Option number C, a secular state. Question number 6, which of the following word sequences is correct as per the preamble to the Constitution? Option number A, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. 7, in which of the following years was the national anthem adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly? Option number B, 1950. 8, when was the objective resolution moved by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Option number A, 13th December 1946. Question number 9, which of the following is not a basic feature of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, drawn from one source. 10, when was the preamble to the Indian Constitution amended? Option number B, 1976. 11, when is Constitution Day observed in India? Option number B, 26th November. 12, who was the designer of the India's national flag? Option number C, Pingali Venkaya. Question number 13, who among the following personalities was appointed as the legal advisor of the Constituent Assembly that drafted the document of the Constitution? Legal advisor of the Constituent Assembly. The number D, B.N. Rao. 14, the original Constitution of India was handwritten in English by. Option number B, Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. 15, who among the following personalities was the chief draftsman of the Constituent Assembly that drafted the document of the Constitution? Chief draftsman. Option number C, S.N. Mukherjee. 16, the structural part of the Indian Constitution is to a large extent derived from the Act of. Option number B, 1935. 17, which is not a unitary feature of the Constitution of India? Option number A, bicameral legislature. 18, how many female members were part of the Constituent Assembly that framed the Constitution of India? Option number D, 15. 19, who was the chairman of the House Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number A, B. Pattavi Sitaramaiah. 20, G.V. Mavalankar was the chairman of the dash of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number B, Committee on Functions. 21, the total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, of which dash were representative of princely states. Number D, 93. 22, the members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution of India on. Option number B, 24th January 1950. 23, in which year did Motilal Nehru, chairman, and 8 other Congress leaders draft a constitution for India? Number C, 1928 is the right answer. 24, Which of the following constitutions inspired the law-making process in India? Option number B, British Constitution. 25. The concept of independence of judiciary in the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of. Option number C, the USA. 26. From which of the following constitution has the Indian Constitution adopted the system of first past the post? Number D, British Constitution. 27. The Indian Constitution borrowed the concept of concurrent list from. Option number D, Australia. 28. From which of the following constitutions is the idea of Charter of Fundamental Rights adopted in the Indian Constitution? Option number C, United States of America's Constitution. 29. From which country were the ideals of justice of the Indian Constitution borrowed? Ideals of justice. Option number A, the USSR. 30. The emergency provisions of the Indian Constitutions are borrowed from the Government of India Act. Option number C, 1935. 31. Which country has the Republic feature of the Indian Constitution been borrowed from? Option number A, French Constitution. 32. From which country has the concept of martial law, which restricts fundamental rights, borrowed? Number B, the UK. 33. India is a parliamentary democracy based on the Westminster model of. Option number D, the United Kingdom. 34. The concept of amendment of the Constitution in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from the Constitution of which of the following countries? Option number A, South Africa. 35. Which of the following provisions of the Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of Canada? Option number C, advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 36. Which articles of the Indian Constitution provide for a parliamentary form of government at the center? Option number A, Article 74 and 75. 37. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India mentions that every ministers and the Attorney General of India shall have the right to speak in and participate in the proceedings of either house of the Parliament? Option number D, Article 88. 38. Article 77 of the Indian Constitution deals with the. Option number D, conduct of business of the Government of India. 39. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution mentions about the organization of village panchayat? Option number D, Article 40. And the last question, which article deals with the conduct of business of the government of a state? Government of a state. Option number D, Article 166. And it is your homework, guys. You have to answer up this question in the comment section. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides that the state must secure a social order to promote the welfare of the people? So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.